So we're really excited today to welcome everyone to Hidden Ponds Nature Center to celebrate National Trails Day. We've got interactive nature stations, we've got guided hikes, great opportunity for people to learn about the trail system in the county, which is more than 300 miles long, and we'll teach them a little bit about trail etiquette. You know, it's great for people to get out on the trails, but we got to make sure they're good stewards of them, taking care of the trails, picking up after themselves. So whatever you take in, you take out. So the Jerry Connolly Cross County Trail is probably the most significant trail we have in the park system. It's more than 40 miles long. It stretches the length of the county. So it gives people an opportunity to see everything that Fairfax County has to offer. The trail moves through forests and stream valleys and some more urban areas, so you get a little taste of everything in the county. Congressman Connolly was instrumental in making this trail a reality. He was steadfast in his dedication to its envisioning and its ultimate execution. So there's a number of ways for residents of Fairfax County to get introduced to the trails that the Park Authority has. One of the easiest is to get up on our website and use the Trail Buddy app. So whether you're brand new to the hiking game or an experienced pro, you just type in what you're looking for, where you want to hike, how long you want the hike to be, what kind of challenge you want for yourself, and the Trail Buddy app will spit out the best thing for you. But if you don't want something quite so structured, we got plenty of parks. Just come visit. They pretty much all have trails, so just come out and explore. There's Lake Accoting, there's Burke Lake Park, there's Huntley Meadows. All of these parks and many others have great opportunities to get out on more than our 300 miles of trails throughout the county system. So come on out and take a hike.